Hello, and welcome to the Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese Faculty Staff Lounge. Your home away from home in New Cabell Hall. As you know, here you can enjoy delicious fresh brewed coffee. But did you also know that you can enjoy the robust flavor of delicious espresso as well, thanks to our Nespresso machine? But Ricardo, you're saying, I don't want to use an espresso machine. I don't want to bother with expensive, hard-to-find capsules. Never fear, you can say goodbye to the capsules now, thanks to our reusable capsule system. Simply open the Tupperware and take out one of these lovely stainless steel capsules. Bring coffee from home, your favorite kind. Pausa. Your coffee from home and spoon it in to the capsule. It's best to do it on a paper towel so that you can recover what's left. Take the tamping tool and smash it in. How much do you use? That all depends on your personal taste. Do you want strong coffee? Do you want weak coffee? For you to decide. Tamp it in, wipe off the excess, and then get a seal pod lid from the drawer to cover the capsule. Insert the capsule in the Nespresso maker without the rubber base. Close here, put in your cup, and then press the button. Now there are two buttons, one for a short pour and one for a long pour. We're going to do a short pour. Water goes in the back. Now the machine is warming up, and in the meantime,
Question, Ricardo. So
Paula.
you don't need to warm up the machine ahead of time. You can do
You
all this.
can. I could have warmed up the machine while I was filling up the capsule. That would have been the smart thing to do. But since we have not practiced this, we didn't figure out the smart thing to do.
It's spontaneous.
Okay, so now the lights have stopped flashing. The machine is warmed up. I just press the button. And delicious espresso comes pouring out.
Smells great.
And it'll be delicious as well. What kind of coffee did you bring, Paula?
It's dark roast, old world espresso beans from Shenandoah Joe,
Okay.
our favorite coffee roaster.
Okay, so now coffee is done. We lift the thing and the capsule drops into this tray in the bottom. Careful, it's hot. You might want to cool it off and then bring it over here to the trash where you can peel off the lid and dump the grounds. Do not dump the grounds. The lid is trash. Do not dump the grounds into the sink, for then you will incur the wrath of Tally Sanford. And no one wants that. Rinse off and leave to dry. And you are ready to enjoy your delicious espresso.
Fantastic.